God bless you, everyone. Reverend Steph here with another poem. This one I titled A Yielded Vessel. Sounds different. Hallelujah. A yielded vessel knows it can say nothing, do nothing, not even exist without God. If I have not love, I am a clanging cymbal, a bunch of noise. Amazing grace. How sweet the sound that saved someone like me. A yielded vessel has a meek and quiet spirit. By the mercies of God, present yourselves a living sacrifice that is holy, acceptable, a yielded life each and every day. A yielded vessel will get on the potter's wheel and spin at dizzying speeds, allowing the unnecessary clay to fly off. A yielded vessel will allow itself to be poked and prodded, kneaded like dough, reshaped into something they never knew they could be, so that it can sound different. A yielded vessel will go into the flames of trials and testing, trusting God to come out stronger, more resilient, purified by the heat of change, so that it will sound different. A yielded vessel goes from prodigal to prince, servant to overseer, obscurity to prominence. A yielded vessel allows God to speak through it so that it will sound different. Their words are seasoned with salt and will never lose its savor. A yielded vessel's voice reverberates in the realm of the Spirit, causing kingdoms to be shaken because it sounds different. If thou be willing and obedient, there is a promise of inheriting the good of the land. Are you a yielded vessel?